Sino EV charging station, where intelligent design meets powerful performance. Purpose-built for electric vehicles, it delivers a convenient and seamless charging experience. From quiet overnight charging to rapid daytime boosts, our smart technology communicates directly with your vehicle to optimize current output, ensuring safety and maintaining battery health. Built to withstand the extremes, the Sino charging stations feature rugged, weather-resistant construction. Whether it's scorching heat or freezing rain, your charger remains operational and reliable. Say goodbye to complicated authentication. With plug and charge functionality and flexible app control, charging your EV is now as simple as parking your car. Sino Energy. Power your journey with intelligence and reliability. Visit our website today to find your perfect match. www.sinofsa.com